Hey everyone, welcome back to Next in AI podcast. I'm your host, Emma, and today I'm super excited to chat with my friend Vignesh Annamalai, the founder of ChatMaxima, a company that's all about making conversational AI accessible and awesome. Vignesh, great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Emma. I'm pumped to dive into the wild world of AI and talk about what's been going down over the past week. It's been a busy one.
Oh, for sure. The AI space moves faster than my coffee order on a Monday morning. So let's jump right in. Vignesh, what's the biggest AI headline you've seen in the last 7 days?
All right, let's start with a big one. OpenAI dropped Codex this week and it's got everyone buzzing. It's like the next evolution of their code generating AI, but now it's even better at churning out clean, usable code across a bunch of programming languages. Developers are losing their minds over it because it's saving them hours of debugging.
Whoa, Codex sounds like a coder's best friend. So is this like, hey, AI, write me an app, and it just does it?
Pretty much. It's not perfect, but it's getting scarily close. You can throw in a prompt like build me a simple website with a login page, and Codex will spit out the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's like having a super smart intern who never sleeps, but you still gotta check the code. AI's not that trustworthy yet.
Huh, love the intern analogy. Okay, what else caught your eye? I heard Google's been busy too.
Oh, yeah, Google's not sitting still. They rolled out Jules, their new AI agent, and it's all about automating tasks in a more human like way. Think of it as a virtual assistant that can handle complex stuff, like scheduling meetings, pulling data from emails, and even making decisions based on context. It's a step toward what we call agentic AI, where the AI doesn't just answer questions but actually takes action.
Okay, that's cool, but also a little freaky. Like, is Jules gonna start running my life? Should I be worried?
Nah, Emma, you're still in charge. For now, Jules is more about helping with repetitive tasks so you can focus on the fun stuff. But it's a glimpse into the future where AI agents might handle entire workflows. Imagine Jules booking your flights, finding the cheapest options, and even checking you in, all while you're sipping that Monday coffee.
Sign me up. All right, Google didn't stop there, right? I saw something about VO3 and Imagen 4. What's the deal?
Yep, Google's on a roll. Gemini VO3 is their latest video generation model, and Imagen 4 is for creating super realistic images. These are upgrades from last year's models, and they're pushing the boundaries of generative AI. VO3 can create short video clips from text prompts like show me a sunset over a futuristic city, and boom, you've got a cinematic scene. Imagen 4 is just as wild, churning out images that look like they were shot by a pro photographer.
Okay, that's insane. So I could type Emma hosting a podcast on the moon and get a video of me up there?
Exactly. It's not Hollywood quality yet, but it's getting there. These tools are huge for content creators, marketers, and even small businesses who want high quality visuals without breaking the bank. The catch? You need some serious computing power to run these models, so they're mostly cloud based for now.
Got it. Speaking of big players, Microsoft's been in the game too, right? What's this Azure AI Foundry thing?
Oh, Microsoft's flexing hard. The Azure AI Foundry is their new platform to help businesses build and deploy custom AI solutions. It's like a one-stop shop for companies to integrate AI into their apps, from chatbots to data analytics. It's designed to make AI accessible even for businesses that don't have a team of data scientists. Think of it as AI for the everyman or every business, I guess.
That's huge for small businesses. I mean, not everyone has Google's budget. So this could level the playing field?
Totally. It's all about democratizing AI. You don't need to be a tech giant to have a smart chatbot or crunch big data. Azure AI Foundry gives you pre-built tools and templates so you can get up and running without coding from scratch. It's a game changer for startups like mine at ChatMaxima, where we're all about making AI conversational and user-friendly.
Love that. Okay, let's talk about something a bit different. GitHub Copilot going open source. That's a big deal, right?
Huge. GitHub Copilot, which is basically an AI powered coding assistant, just went open source this week. That means developers can now dig into its code, tweak it, and build their own versions. It's a bold move by Microsoft, who owns GitHub, because it opens the door for the community to make Copilot even better or create totally new tools based on it.
That's wild. So it's like giving away the recipe for your secret sauce. Why would they do that?
It's all about staying ahead in the AI race. By going open source, they're betting on the developer community to innovate and keep Copilot competitive. Plus, it builds trust. People love transparency. It's a win-win. Microsoft gets free innovation and developers get a powerful tool to play with.
Smart move. Okay, let's not forget about Claude 4 from Anthropic. What's the vibe there?
Claude 4 is Anthropic's latest conversational AI model, and it's giving ChatGPT a run for its money. It's designed to be safe, helpful, and super conversational, with a focus on understanding nuanced human instructions. The big thing this week is that it's now better at handling long conversations and remembering context, which is perfect for things like customer support or creative writing.
So Claude's like the friend who actually listens when you ramble? That's impressive. Any other cool stuff?
One more, Mistral Document AI. This one's a niche but awesome. Mistral launched a tool that can analyze and extract info from documents, like contracts, invoices, you name it. It's a lifesaver for businesses drowning in paperwork. Imagine uploading a 50-page contract and getting a summary in seconds. That's the kind of thing that makes accountants and lawyers do a happy dance.
Okay, I need that in my life for my taxes. So, Vignesh, stepping back. What's the big picture here? What do all these launches tell us about where AI's headed?
It's all about specialization and accessibility. We're seeing AI tools get hyper-focused, whether it's coding with Codex, video with Veo, or documents with Mistral. At the same time, platforms like Azure AI Foundry and open source Copilot are making AI easier to use for everyone, not just the tech wizards. But here's the thing, with all this power, we've got to keep an eye on ethics, bias, privacy, all that jazz. The industry's moving fast, and 2025 is going to be a year where AI gets even more woven into our lives.
Totally agree. It's exciting, but also a little, whoa, slow down. All right, Vignesh, before we wrap, any hot tips for our listeners who want to stay ahead of the AI curve?
Play around with these tools. Most of them have free tiers or demos. Try Codex for a coding project, mess with Imogen for some cool visuals, or chat with Claude to see how it feels. And if you're a business owner, check out platforms like ChatMaxima, shameless plug, to see how conversational AI can boost your customer engagement. Just dive in and experiment.
Love the enthusiasm. All right, folks, that's a wrap on this week's AI trends. Huge thanks to Vignesh Annamalai, founder of ChatMaxima, for breaking it all down. If you want to keep up with the latest in AI, hit that subscribe button and follow us on socials. Vignesh, where can people find you?
Check out chatmaxima.com to see what we're building, or find us in LinkedIn or X at ChatMaxima. Always happy to geek out about AI.
Awesome. Until next time, keep your tech curiosity alive and your coffee strong. See ya!